All right, good morning and welcome to part two of this video tutorial on how to create an e-commerce website. If you recall, this was the website we created earlier. So we're going to create the part. So what we'll be needing from the part is just to change the logo, the footer, rewrite some of the footer, and that is all. Okay. So without wasting time, let's dive in and start finalizing the website. So to achieve that, let's log into our dashboard. If you don't know how to do that, all you need to do is to press the slash button, the slash button, forward slash button, and type in WP dash admin, then press enter. That's how you can access your dashboard. Okay, if yours is not an automatic, you can actually enter your admin password and the username, then click on login. Okay, this is our dashboard. To achieve that, hover over appearance. We're going to change the logo first. Let's start with the logo. Hover over appearance, just scroll down. This is appearance. Hover over appearance. Then click on customize. Once you click on customize, this page will open up for you. Then you scroll down, click on site identity. It depends on the theme you are using. Some theme will be different from the web will be different, and some of them may not be here, maybe somewhere up here. Okay, but basically you'll be able to know that this is where you can actually access your logo. Okay, so click on site identity, click on site identity, click on this. You can see site title and logo. Okay, so we're going to change it. I don't have any logo right now, but let me just show you. Click on change logo. You can see the dimension is 180 by 60 pixel. So when you are designing your logo, ensure that you take this dimension to give it the proper fitting. So let me just use this just to show you the example. Let me use this. Select, skip cropping. Okay. Now let's go down. This is site icon. Site icon basically means, okay, let me go to this. Let me show you. You can see this is what site icon is. You can see this green round button at the top of this spelldigital.com. That is what site icon is. Okay, so let's go back. So let's select. Let me just select anything from that. Just let me show you. Click on site icon. Click on this. Let me just select. Okay, let me just use this thing. Okay, select. Okay, then click on publish. Once you are doing working on any of these things, ensure to publish, then you can continue. Okay, so click on this back button. Let's work on the footer. Scroll down, you can see footer builder. Click on this footer builder. You can see you can click, you can access all this thing from here, or you can access it from here. Okay, like this copyright, just click on copyright. Then you can enter your own copyright. Okay, you can enter your own copyright. But in most cases, some of the team will just give you automatically enter the copyright for you. But some will ensure will as in will force you to enter the copyright. If you see this one has already entered the copyright on its own. Okay. And any of them you don't want, you can actually delete it from here. Let's say I want to work on this. All I need just to go back, select the widget I want to work on. Okay, click on got it. Okay, you can edit whatever you want to edit here. Let me change this download our mobile app to, let's say, let me just type something that, let me just say shop now. Okay, then here I'm going to type in get in touch. I'm just doing this thing to show you at the front end. Get in touch. Okay, you can actually link it if you wish, highlight it and link it if you want. I'm not going to do all those things now. So just click on publish. I can actually change this logo here. Let me just click on this. You can edit it from here, you can edit it from the other side. Okay, say replace image. I'm going to use let me just use this. So this should be too big. I'm just using it to show you how it works. You can see it has been replaced. Okay, you can see it has been replaced, but I'm not going to use it. Okay, okay, let me use this. You can drop a link here so that when somebody clicks on it, okay, let me just copy this link here. Let me paste it here. Okay, then let me publish. So basically, this is how you can do it. Once you are done, you click on this plus this thing. It will take you back to your dashboard. Okay, I believe these are the only thing remaining that I need to know about creating your e-commerce store. Okay, in my next tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can actually add a payment gateway. If you notice, we've not added any payment gateway. Let me show you. Let's open it in a new browser. Basically, this is how you can use. If you remember, we wrote shop now, get in touch, okay, and this is the logo that we changed earlier. This wasn't the logo that we, okay. Then here, remember I dropped a link here. So if I click on this, it will take me to the link I dropped earlier, which is spreaddigitals.com. You can see it has redirected me to another website. Okay. So basically, this is how it works. So I hope this helped. If you have any question regarding this tutorial or any other video you want me to create for you, please drop your comment at the comment section. But please don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel. I drop valuable content.